Good news for scientists, researchers, engineers, and students who want to improve simulation performance, simplify execution, and significantly reduce computational time. This year, the Center for AI and Big Data at Namal University brings you a unique hands-on summer school on supercomputing for modeling and simulation. Join us on 22nd and 23rd of August 2026 at Namal University, Miyawadi.
Discover how high performance computing is transforming scientific discovery, engineering design, molecular research, and industrial innovation. Learn to move beyond conventional desktop computing and execute complex simulations on the Namal supercomputing facility.
Explore HPC architectures, parallel processing concepts, scientific software environments, and efficient simulation workflows. Gain practical experience with Linux, Slurm, MPI, OpenMP, Quantum Espresso, and Gromo. Learn how to prepare, submit, optimize, monitor, and troubleshoot computational jobs on a shared HPC cluster.
From molecular dynamics simulations using GROMACS and quantum simulations using density functional theory. Evaluate resource utilization, parallel scalability, execution time, and computational performance. Process, analyze, and visualize simulation results under the guidance of experienced trainers.
The program combines guided practical sessions, live demonstrations, and expert lectures. Participants completing all activities will also receive an official certificate. Lunch, refreshments, and limited complimentary shared accommodation for confirmed outstation participants will also be provided.
Only 30 seats are available, and registrations will be confirmed on a first come, first served basis. Register before 8 August 2026 and take your scientific simulations from a workstation to a supercomputing platform. Accelerate your research, expand your computational capabilities, and become part of Pakistan's growing high performance computing community.